Alright. Here's for the challenging part. Getting in without getting a drop on me. Here comes my trusty sidekick, Peter. You're about to witness greatness, Pat.
What?
Get down here and watch this. I'm about to pop this and I'm getting a single drip of oil on my fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good shit. Come on.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, and then I put my finger right in it.
Damn.
Hehehe.
You had it.
I had it though.
That's sketchy how you have it like this. You need to go buy some real fucking car things.
I know.
It's a lot of oil. Jesus.
No, it's not.
Or not oil. Fucking, what's it called again? No, it's not oil. But, it's not gasoline. It's not.
That's oil.
Oh, it is oil?
Yeah. It just should not be that color. Oil is supposed to be the color of like Mountain Dew.
Oh, yeah. That's how you know it's done. Just when it stops dripping.
It'll stop. You gonna pop the oil filter?
Sure.
Now that that's fucking draining?
How do I do that?